Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by disconnecting your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the handle. A soft cloth can be very effective for this. Now focus on the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry this clip away from the trigger. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding components. With the clip removed, you can now take out the old trigger. Before installing the new trigger, it's advisable to check the surrounding area for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it may be worth considering a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your vacuum is in perfect working order. Once you've inspected the area, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Reattach the clip to hold the trigger in position. This step is crucial, as a loose trigger can lead to further issues down the line. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Carefully align the two halves of the handle and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. After reassembling, give the handle a gentle tug to ensure everything is secure. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly, allowing you to enjoy the full functionality of your vacuum once again. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process that can be completed with a few basic tools and some careful attention. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.